Good morning, students. And the next topic will be the differences between primary, secondary, and tertiary nitroalkanes. Okay, wow. First, we see about the reaction. What are the reactions or reagent we are used in this compound? And next will be the primary nitroalkane, secondary, and tertiary. We already know about the primary. Primary, which contains one alkyl group. Secondary, which contain two alkyl groups, which means R. Okay. And next will be the tertiary, will be three alkyl group. Okay. First, we see about the structure. So we depend upon the structure and number of alpha hydrogen atoms. Okay, here the alpha hydrogen atoms, alpha hydrogen carbon. Okay, here the alpha hydrogen carbon linked with the alkyl group or nitro compound. Okay, so it is depends upon the structure, based on the structure and the number of alpha hydrogen compound atoms. Okay, it contains two alpha hydrogen because it contains two CH2 group. Okay, but here it contains only one CH group. Okay, so it contains only one alpha carbon. So here the alpha hydrogen atom. Okay, here contains, there will be no alpha hydrogen atom because there will be no H here there. Okay, so it's said to be alpha hydrogen carbon. Okay, here the first evidence. Okay, second will be the coming on from the hydrolysis. We already know about the hydrolysis. Okay, elimination of water molecules or hydrogen. Okay, so said to be it is mainly reacted with an con HCl. This is sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid, and then 85% of sulfuric acid. Only the hydrolysis taken place between these two reaction. Okay, because it is the first coming up from the primary nitroalkane, then the hydrolysis undergoes reaction, forms an acid. When hydrolysis reacts with the primary alkane, forms an acid and hydroxylamine are formed. Okay, hydroxylamine, which NH2OH. Okay, this reaction and secondary alkane undergoes hydrolysis, forms ketone. Okay, ketone and nitrous oxide. Okay, N2. There will be here no reaction will be occurs because it contains no hydrogen compound. Okay, so the third reaction, third nitroalkane does not react with no reaction. Okay, is said to be second evidence. Okay, so here the differences between the primary and secondary and tertiary nitroalkanes. And third will be the actions of HNO2. Okay, nitric acid followed by the alkali. Here the forms nitrolic acid and soluble in alkali. Here undergoes a nitration. It forms nitrolic acid, which means triple bond. Okay, it is soluble. It is easily soluble in base and giving the red colored salt. It is a precipitate compound. Okay, it reacted with a primary nitroalkane in HNO2. It forms triple bond compound and it is readily soluble in only bases and gives a red color salt formation. Okay, salt compound, but it is reacted with the secondary nitroalkane. It forms a blue color and pseudo-nitrol because it becomes slow reaction and it also occurs in the triple bond, but it is insoluble base and is soluble in alkali but insoluble in alkali. Here no reaction will be occurs because it does not contain any alpha hydrogen. Okay, here the coming out from the alkalis, which means base, strong base, NaOH. Okay, so it forms salt. Okay, here also forms a salt, but there will be no reactions occurs. Okay, so coming up from the halogens, chlorine, bromine, iodine, like in the alkali medium, base medium. Okay, so it is react with an halogens with an alkaline medium and forms a both monohalogen and dihalogen derivatives, become like a Br or Br2 or otherwise iodine I2. Okay, like this. Okay, so contains two halogen groups or one halogen groups, but here only one monohalogen derivatives. Okay, so here no reaction will be occurs. Coming from the reaction with aldehydes and ketones. And in the reaction with the aldehyde ketones, it forms aldol. It contains one aldehyde and alcohol group. Okay, so it is said to be aldol condensation form. Okay, it's said to be or nitro alcohol NOH group. Okay, N bond OH single. Okay, so it is here also aldol formation and it is also react to form nitro alcohol. Here no reaction will be occurs. Okay, so coming from the tautomer isomerism, it exhibits nitroacinitro tautomerism, forward and reversible reaction. Okay, takes place here. Exhibit nitro and acinitro tautomerism. Okay, here also nitro and acinitro tautomerism. Here there will be no reaction will be occur. There will be no forward and backward reactions. Okay, so here the difference between the primary and secondary and tertiary alkane. Okay, so next topic we'll see about the reagents. What are the reagents are used in the organic chemistry? So there will be oxidation reaction, addition, hydrolysis, like this. Okay, so these are the reaction taken place in this application, the reagents and their applications in the organic chemistry. So first we see about the anhydrous AlCl3, which means aluminum trichloride. So because it contains Cl3 compound. Okay, so here the Cl3, it is a synthetic of organic chemistry. So mainly there are so many reactions we are used in this catalyst. So said to be it is very very important, widely used in this catalyst. Okay, so coming up from the preparation, here we see about first preparation. So it is how it is prepared. It is prepared in the AlC3 can be prepared by the reductive chlorination. Reductive means Cl will be reduced. Okay, reductive means Cl minus will be removed. Okay, so of a bauxite ore, bauxite means contains two ores, 2 or 3 moles is said to be here, said to be bauxite ores. Okay, Al2O3. Okay, so 2 types of oxide condition here, so said to be used in the bauxite ore. Okay, so here the see about the reaction aluminum trioxide. Okay, which contains 3 oxygen groups. So said to be aluminum trioxide reacted with the carbon and chlorine. So it forms a reactant. The O3 will be removed. Okay, so it is O3 will be removed and 3Cl directly attacked in this group because it contains 1 plus molecules, it contains 1 minus molecules. Okay, so the O3 will be directly converted into carbon dioxide, it becomes evaporated. Only this product will be taken in this reaction. Okay, so it is a reduction process wherever oxidation will be removed and 1 chlorine atom directly attacked in this reaction. Okay, next preparation is aluminum. Reacted with aluminum and ACl, it directly form 3AlCl3. Okay, 2AlCl3, aluminum trichloride. Okay, so these are the preparation. So coming up from the uses, it is a mainly already said it is a anhydrous AlCl3 and it is a catalyst. Okay, so it is a catalyst molecules. It is wherever the reaction are used in Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Alkylation means base, acylation means acid. Okay, so these are the reaction mechanism we are seeing later. So Friedel-Crafts alkylation, acylation, Fries rearrangement, Gattermann-Couch, condensation, Blanc's chloromethylation. So these are the reactions are used in this AlCl3 compound. Okay, so it is a isomerization because it contains a branch chain molecules. Okay, so it is said to be used for isomerization and otherwise halogenation like chlorine, bromine, and again dehydration. Dehydration means elimination of H molecules and dehydrohalogenation means elimination of halogen compounds and water molecules. Okay, so said to be dehydrohalogenation. So these are the uses of AlCl3. Okay, so next will be the here the first reaction we see of the Friedel-Crafts alkylations in AlCl3. Okay, we already know that AlCl3 is a catalyst reaction. It is an important organic chemistry used in the synthetic organic chemistry. Okay, so first we see about the hydrocarbons. You already know about the hydrocarbons. Okay, aromatic hydrocarbons, which means a benzene. Here the aromatic hydrocarbons. Okay, so the aromatic hydrocarbons are usually prepared by this alkylation. Okay, alkali means some acid or base. Okay, acid acylation following reaction. Okay, here the alkylation process. Okay, one alkyl group here and one base group here. Here is a benzene, aromatic hydrocarbons. Okay, alternating double bonds here, so it is a benzene directly reacted with an alkyl chloride. Okay, so here the Cl will be replaced. So here the Cl will be replaced, they are directly attacked in this group. So it is converted into alkyl aromatic hydrocarbon and it is reacted with HCl. Okay, it is a first evidence. Next example is a benzene. Benzene reacted with the RC, alkyl chloride. Are they again chlorine, other chlorine molecules? Okay, here the benzene reacted with the chloride. Only the Cl will be replaced. Okay, so here this reaction will be directly attacked in this position. So it is reaction of HCl. This will be one H will be removed in this benzene ring and it is formed with the HCl and C double bond O. The O will be bonded with the carbon, the C double bond O group. Okay, so it is formed with the C double bond O R. Okay, it is again reduction. It will be formed as CH2. The O will be reduced. O. Okay, here see that the undergo reduction, the O will be reduced, is converted into H2, zinc, mercury, HCl. It is a reduction, it is a catalyst. Okay, hydrogen catalyst. Okay, so it is formed as the CH2R. Okay, so it is the next evidence. Next carbon is coming from the benzene. Benzene reacted with the benzyl chloride. Okay, C6H5CH2, benzyl chloride. It is formed reacted with the again AlCl3. Only HCl will be removed. Okay, so here it is two benzene compound here formed and the CH2 will be the interlinking between these two benzene. Okay, so it formed diphenyl methane. This is two phenyl group. Okay, C6H5. Here the benzene, here's the benzene. It is a phenyl group, C6 group. Okay, sorry, C5H5 group, C6H5. One hydrogen carbon is removed and CH2 will be directly attacked in this reaction. Okay, so it formed diphenyl methane and HCl will be removed. Okay, so here the halogenation compound. Coming up from the ketones. Okay, here the ketones, there will be several aryl substituted. Okay, aryl means which some other ketones or convention, some other ketones compound will be directly attacked in this carbon first position. Okay, benzene ring. So said to be aryl substituted ketones. Okay, here the aryl compound. Okay, so here's some it is reacted with the Friedel, it is said to be Friedel-Crafts reaction. Okay, so here chloromethane reacted with acid, it will form acetophenone group. Here the acetophenone compound, here is a preparation compound. Okay, so the C double bond O CH3 directly attacked in this reaction, one HCl will be replaced. Okay, only HCl will be replaced in this reaction, is said to be Friedel-Crafts reaction. Okay, so next will be coming from the cyclic ketones, is said to be cyclic ketones. Okay, it is a synthesis of Friedel-Crafts reaction. Okay, it is an important intermediate in pharmaceutical industries. Okay, it is an important products of cyclic ketones introduced in the pharmaceutical industries. And alpha tetralone is a solvent and varnishes likewise are used. Okay, so here the benzene ring, the benzene reacted with an alpha butrolactone. Okay, alpha position, here there contains two alpha position carbon, here reacted with the ketone molecules, one ketone and interlock between the ketone molecules. Okay, so it's said to be reacted with the alpha ketone, it is formed alpha tetralone. This reaction is directly formed with the benzene. Okay, benzene and the carbon, it is directly formed on benzene, and all the reactions will be, and the double bond would be directly attacked in the alpha position, is said to be alpha tetralone. Okay, coming on from the polynuclear. Poly means a large number of molecules. Okay, here used in this and already know it is a condensed type of polymer. Here it is said to be, it is a naphthalene product. Naphthalene, again one benzene is added, said to be anthracene. Okay, it is reacted with an alkyl group. Okay, 2 moles of alkyl group. Naphthalenes reacted with the alkene compound in the presence of alkali, AlCl3 reactant. Okay, the naphthalene reacted with an alkali chloride in the presence of AlCl3 catalyst. Okay, the Cl will be replaced and this Cl3 will be replaced and this carbon will be directly attacked. Here this reaction will be the same, only the Cl will be replaced, undergoes addition, hydration reduction, it will be converted into CH2. Okay, the CO will be removed and O will be removed and directly hydration will be occurs, so it forms a CH2 compound. So is said to be acetophenanthine. Okay, acetophenanthine. Okay, so it is a polynuclear hydrocarbons. Coming up from the halogen derivatives. Here the halogen derivatives. Here is a benzene reacted with an halogens. Okay, ClCH2, COCl. One halogen, dihalogen derivative. Okay, so in the presence of AlCl3, it forms here the same product will be occurs. Here Cl will be replaced by the HCl. So it forms like phenacyl chloride. See, COCl, CH2. Okay, it is the same. COClCH2 will be formed. Okay, only Cl will be removed in this reaction. Okay, it is converted into HCl. Okay, it is a halogen derivatives of AlCl3. So it is all the reaction is said to be in Friedel-Crafts alkylation or acylation. Okay.